Good afternoon. Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for taking your time to take part in our JICA session. Let me introduce to you briefly on JICA's project evaluation. This is the outline of JICA's cooperation. JICA is taking care of ODA, and ODA, Official Development Assistance, comprises of multilateral assistance and bilateral assistance. Multilateral assistance is contributions to international organizations, and bilateral assistance is the assistance from Japan to respective countries. And here's JICA, and JICA's schemes stretches out to many different fields. Firstly, technical cooperation. Technical cooperation comprises of technical cooperation project. This is a combination of dispatch of experts, provision of equipment, and conducting training courses in Japan and in third countries. And dispatch of expert is another scheme of technical cooperation. And knowledge cooperation program. This is JICA's training program. I will later touch upon this scheme later. And finance and investment cooperation. This comprises of ODA loan and private sector investment finance and grants. Grants typically means huge size infrastructure projects and others. The Japanese Ministry of Foreign Affairs also provides grants due to diplomatic necessity. And JICA's other cooperation, such as disaster relief, research, and cooperation through citizen participation. And cooperation through citizen participation, we have JICA volunteers, and then grassroots technical cooperation projects incorporated with universities and NPOs and other groups. So this is a JICA's PDCA cycle. This is JICA's project evaluation at a glance. You can check this JICA's annual evaluation report from the URL below in red. And a PDCA cycle stands for plan, do, check, and action. And this cycle starts from planning. And this is a pre-implementation stage of a project. And the do is implementation stage. And then post-implementation stage, check. And feedback as action. So JICA's projects are conducted based on this PDCA cycle, project evaluation. And from before we start a project, we conduct ex-ante evaluation. Then we implement a project, and then we regularly monitor the progress of a project. And then when the project finishes, we conduct ex-post evaluation. And then we extract lessons learned from our evaluations, and then we use those lessons learned and findings to formulate another project. And this PDCA cycle goes around. So ex post evaluation is very important for accountability. And another very important element of our evaluation is learning aspect. So this is our accountability system of JICA's project evaluation. Project costing 200 million yen or more, we conduct ex post evaluation. And then that accounts for more than 90% of JICA's projects. So we evaluate most of our projects. And JICA's project evaluation is based on the international evaluation criteria. And we value evaluation criteria. And so we value transparency, and evaluation results are published on the JICA website every year. And we come up with a JICA annual evaluation report. And ex-ante evaluation, we conduct ex-ante evaluation in every project. And project costing more than 1 billion yen or more, we conduct external evaluation. And a project between 200 million yen to 1 billion, we conduct internal evaluation. And in the Japanese fiscal year 2022, we conducted 207 ex-ante evaluation and 132 ex post evaluation. And JICA also values analysis, and we put a focus on theories. And for example, we conduct a process analysis and impact evaluation, and we pretty much focus on data and evidence. So evaluation is very important for accountability because JICA's projects, every single money we use is owned by the Japanese taxpayers' money. So we are held we are held accountable what we do to our people. And then we use lessons learned from our evaluation results to improve our projects. So learning aspect is very, very important in JICA evaluation system. So this is OECD DAC evaluation criteria. Many of you might know that a new item was added in 2019, which is coherence. And so we evaluate our project based on these 6 criteria, namely relevance, coherence, effectiveness, impact, efficiency, and sustainability. So this is an overview of ex-ante evaluation. JICA confirms in advance the needs and priorities of the project, verifies the project outline and anticipated outcomes, and establishes indicators for measuring those outcomes. Then JICA monitors and evaluate the project based on the evaluation plan and indicators set at the time of the ex-ante evaluation. So in a way, ex-ante evaluation is very important for JICA to judge if we should give it a go or not. And then we always come back to ex-ante evaluation. Part of the results are used as a baseline of the project. And at the time of ex-post evaluation, we measure the difference at the time of ex-ante evaluation and at the time of ex-post evaluation. So ex-ante evaluation process starts from preparation and collection of information. And we conduct field survey and discussion. You see the photo here. This is a photo of a group discussion among local residents. So, and we go on to analysis in Japan and collection of additional information. And then we formulate and publish ex-ante evaluation. So this is the overview of ex-post evaluation. All projects costing 200 million yen or more, which accounts for more than 90% of all JICA projects are evaluated. So this is the typical process of ex-post evaluation. As you can see, if ex-post evaluation starts in April, this will go on to the next year. So it takes about a year and a half or longer. So this is a very time-consuming process, but we take step by step to assure the quality of our ex-post evaluation. So this chart is a rating flow chart. We rate based on the OECD DAC 6 evaluation criteria. We start from relevance and coherence, and we rate 4 sub-rating, and then we go on to effectiveness and impact, and then sustainability and efficiency. And at the end, we come up with overall rating. In this case, overall rating was B. This is JICA's annual evaluation report. We publish this evaluation report every year. So you can read this report from the URL below. So let me introduce you to JICA Knowledge Cooperation Program. This is called KCCP, Capacity Building for Evaluation Design, Implementation and System Institutionalization. What is KCCP? Knowledge Cooperation Program. This is a training program, but this is not a one-way-sided training program. So the objective of KCCP is to transmit Japanese strength to participating countries, as well as to enhance further co-learning among participating countries, including Japan. And the uniqueness of it is to meet various needs of developing countries. The program covers a wide variety of subjects, ranging from traditional agricultural techniques to cutting-edge science and technology. So it's versatile. Outline of the program in Japanese fiscal year 2023. This was already conducted last year. And the program details for this year under making. So I will later let you know the progress of it. So period was August 10 to 25, 2023. This was an online program. And program in Japan was for about 2 weeks in August and September. And the objective of this training course was strengthen participants' knowledge on the project evaluation methodologies, evaluation capacity, and make concrete plans to improve the project evaluation system in participants' respective countries. So outline of online program, participants will collect necessary data in their respective countries from before they come to Japan. Such data as organization, organigram, and others. And based on the on-demand lectures, participants will draft the inception report along with the instruction by the lecturer if necessary. And participants study online on-demand lecture and then online session in which lecturers follow up participants to understand lectures and facilitate the drafting inception report. And then they draft and submit inception report. And they prepare to come to Japan. So this is a face-to-face program in Japan. Participants will propose concrete plans to improve the project evaluation system in their respective countries based on the knowledge acquired from the lectures and exchange views from the participants from other countries. So they hold group discussion and field visit and draft action plan. And at the end of the program in Japan, they present their respective action plans and getting feedback from their colleagues. So program in Japanese fiscal year 2024, the details are under making. So general information, this is information, set of information about this particular training course, GI, that is called GI, will be released by March 2024. So for details, please contact your relevant government section in charge of KCCP or JICA office. And this time, below countries are participating countries: Cambodia, Egypt, Mauritius, Marshall Islands, Laos, PDR, Palestine, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, Somalia, Thailand. So my presentation ends here.